Air filters prevent particulate matter, insects, leaves, and other debris from entering the engine. Most air filter material is made with a tight, woven fiber of paper or a blend of materials that can include cotton or synthetic fibers. The filters may be rectangular or round in shape. Air filters should be inspected at each vehicle oil change service. Vehicle manufacturers recommend replacement intervals. However, driving conditions can greatly affect air filter life. Remove and inspect the filter for debris buildup. A filter that has been neglected will have a large amount of debris trapped in it, which will greatly reduce engine performance. Some buildup of debris may or may not be okay. Shine a light through the filter. Replace the filter if very little or no light comes through. Clean any debris from the air filter housing on the air inlet side. Install the new filter with the filter element bolts facing the air inlet. Seat the filter housing, verifying it is seated correctly around the filter. Reinstall the retaining clips or fasteners, and note on the repair order that a new filter was installed. Note that some vehicles use two air filters, one for each engine bank. Cabin air filters are similar to air filters and are made of paper, foam, or synthetic material. They function to prevent dirt and debris from entering the vehicle interior. Some vehicles also use an ion filter to help reduce pollen and unpleasant odors. Cabin air filters usually require replacement every 12 months. Inspect the filter for dirt and debris buildup and recommend replacement if excessive. The filter may be located behind the glove box area or in the cowl area under the hood. Remove any access panels, which may require removing the glove box door. Remove the old cabin filter and install the new one. You can note the replacement date on a small piece of Peters tape and affix it to the filter edge or the access panel for reference on the customer's next visit. Note the cabin filter replacement on the repair order.